Hello everyone, I'm Lary and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is officially my first day back on the scene for DIY and just content in general. It was a really long vacation. If you are new here, we do DIY, design, and lifestyle. So today I thought we would start off the new year really slow, really small because my finances have not recovered as yet. So today we're going to be making coasters out of tile. I actually purchased this tile last year before I went on vacation. I don't know if you think tile's expensive, but I think tile's expensive in any shape or form. But anyways, we're going to be making some coasters made out of tile. So I think we're going to get a good amount. We might have a giveaway going at the end of this video, so be sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Hit the bell for notifications, and we're going to get into it. We're going to be trying to make 2 sets of coasters for the both of us. And I think we should have enough, but we'll see. This is so pretty. I don't know why. Well, I do know why, but this is such beautiful tile. So we're gonna start ripping these off, and they come off easily, as you can see. It's just gonna take a little second to pull all of these off. So we'll be back in a moment. I wish there was an easier way to do this. This one's kind of defective. I think we should be able to get about 4 sets of coasters. The sun just disappeared randomly, but okay. So we're gonna be using minimal supplies for this project, and hopefully it turns out okay. I got these cork sheets from Amazon for $20. This comes in about a 10-pack. Sorry, I misspoke. It comes in about an 8-pack. And I'm just gonna be sticking the tiles on top of it. And then we're gonna be super gluing the tiles together with this Gorilla Glue so it doesn't feel too wobbly. I'm hoping I have enough glue because this is already like half bottle. This has to be a rip-off, honestly. So I finally figured out a pattern, and this is what we're gonna be using. To start this project, I'm just gonna flip my cork board over and remove the sticky tie and the sticky side. But first I'm just gonna cut it right down the middle, eyeballing it. I'm gonna bring my stack over here. I'm gonna put this tile right here, just in the middle, sort of. We're gonna be applying the super glue to some sides, like so, like that. And we're just going to make sure the line's good. We're just gonna press it down and together, make sure the line's up, and we're gonna keep doing that for a bit. So make sure if you do this project that you trim those off before sticking. Now that it's completely bonded to the mat and the glue's dry, we're going to start cutting out the coaster from the sheet. It's gonna be a bit sticky. And if you want to, you can tap out at this stage, but I do wanna line the tile edges, and I'm gonna show you that in a minute. But you can stop here if you want to. So here's the coaster cut out, and it's already looking great, but we do want to line the edges. I'm gonna be using Mod Podge. I'm gonna be using it to seal the edges of this tile. So we're just going to take the podge, just rub it around the edge of the cork. You absolutely do not have to do this. I don't know the lifespan of coasters, but I just want mine to last for a good while. So that's why I'm covering the edges in Mod Podge. I think it's working. And this is non-toxic, so you can not panic about that. So the last thing I'm gonna do is line my coasters with this metallic gold tape. I have it on my walls right now and it's holding up pretty well. So I think it should be okay on the coasters. Okay, my camera's better. So I'm going to just take it and outline the edges of the coasters. The main thing is to make sure it lays flat in the creases. I saw this going way more easier than this. I'm struggling. Okay, and here we are, a complete coaster. I'll show you guys what it looks like in better lighting because unfortunately the sun has disappeared. But I'm really happy with how this turned out. Here are the coasters all done. The side tape did not go as bad as I thought it would. This might be super unnecessary, but I'm adding these bumpers to the back of my coasters just because I want it lifted off the counter. And here are the coasters, guys, with the bumpers on them. They're just so cute. And I'm gonna keep one in my room just so my water bottle can have a stand. Ooh. Okay guys, so that's the end of this DIY video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if this stuff interests you. I will be committing to making a new project every week, so stay tuned for that. I'll see you guys in the next video.